Today I'm going to create a basic ghost in Illustrator because it's that time of year. I'm using pen tool to do this. I've already selected my pen tool. I'm working in an 8.5 by 11 document, landscape orientation, although your preference, whatever you like, is fine. There are some tools I'm going to use and some panels I'm going to use to do this. So my Pathfinder panel is open. I've got my layers panel open here in case I want to add more layers. And I don't need much else. It's just a simple little ghost that I'm creating. The pen tool is kind of tricky. If you click from point to point, you get a straight line. If you click and drag, you get a curvy line. Ghost, the first one I create, is going to be curvy lines. So I clicked out my first point and I'm going to drag to make something curvy. Top of the ghost is sort of round. Drag down. I'm holding down Option key while I grab this handle and bend it back in because I'm going to draw the bottom of the ghost, all with click and drag for curvy lines. Cut a hole in Mom's sheets. Okay, so I've got the basic ghost shape. I can select it. I can use my stroke panel if I want to bump up the stroke weight. If I am not happy with the shape of things up here, I can always grab my direct select tool and click on that and adjust the little handles or move the point wherever I like. And I'm going to make some eyes. So Ellipse Tool, whether you make round eyes or slightly ellipse shaped eyes is up to you. I'm going to do this speedily, so Option click and drag. With select tool, I'm going to click and drag to select both my ghost shape and the eyes. And then I'm going to navigate down to my Pathfinder panel. If you don't see Pathfinder open, just about any panel you can think of is available in window menu. So as you can see, Pathfinder is checked because I have it open. So if you don't see your Pathfinder panel open, that is where you will find it, in window menu. Once you got everything selected like that, like I said, all I did was I clicked and I dragged just to select both the shapes. I'm going to knock the eyes out of the ghost by choosing shape modes and this one, minus front. Okay, so you might be saying, wait, whoa, what did that do? Okay, here's what it did. Rectangle tool. I'm just going to fill it with another color so we can see stuff. Swatches panel is nice. Any color doesn't really matter. I'm going to either object arrange or control click this and just send it to the back. So that's what that whole make the ellipses here, go to Pathfinder panel, shape modes, minus front, actually knocked the shape out of the other shape that we have in there. I just wanted to show you how that worked with this thing. So we don't need that. So there you go. Basic ghost with pen tool. If you wanted to create a lot of ghosts in a hurry, you could always just select it and hold down Option key and click and drag and duplicate them really fast. Or you can go back into your pen tool and draw some new ghosty shapes. Or if you didn't want it to look exactly the same, you could grab your direct select tool and tap on the path, select the anchor points, and either adjust the handles or push up the anchor points. The choice is yours. Have a happy, spooky one of those days.